Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation 4 error code 41839-5. This typically happens when you have some sort of application data that's in error or corrupted. So what we want to do is restart our PS4. So we can just hold down the PlayStation button and go to power, go to turn off, and just unplug your PS4 from the wall outlet for 1 minute. And sometimes this fixes the issue as well. And we can go over the game or application that we're having an issue with, press options on it, and then we can go to check for update to see if there's an update specifically for that game. Then we can also go up to the top and go to settings, and then go to account management and just restore the licenses. Maybe there's an issue with the licenses from the PlayStation Store. We can just tap that, and then we should be good. Then we can go to activate your primary PS4. And make sure you have this activated. If you don't, or maybe you're sharing it with a friend, that's okay. But let's just go back and go down to storage now. And go to the game under here. Maybe there's some corrupted data specifically with that game. So I can go to, I don't know, let's go to Among Us. And we can just look at this. And then we can delete the game too. So if we have any kind of corrupted data, what we want to do is go on over to Rebuild Database under the safe mode menu. So hold down the PlayStation button, go to power. This time let's actually turn it off. And then we need our controller plugged in with a cable. So wait for your PS4 to turn off. And then we want to hold down the power button. So this light is blinking. I'm going to wait for this to stop blinking. And then I'm going to hold it down. So it should be done now. And then you have to hold it down. You'll hear one beep, and then you're going to hear another beep about 10 seconds later. And then let go. So make sure your controller is plugged in with the cable, otherwise you won't be able to operate the safe mode menu. So let's go to the top now. And then press the PlayStation button. Go on down to option number 5, right here. Rebuild database. And then go to OK. So most of the time when this error occurs, you have some sort of corrupted application data for your games. And doing option number 5, rebuild database, will get rid of those corrupted data files on your PS4. So do this and you should be good to go. It's going to restart your PlayStation, bring you to this blue screen, and then it'll give you an estimated amount of time of how long this is going to take. And hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.